Oh,
The Have you ever heard about artificial intelligence or AI?
You may have heard about it, Lycians. Mabuhay Pirata, I'm Lance Kimi Reyes.
And I'm Charles Vincent Balba from your most trusted podcast channel, iTalks.
On today's podcast, we will discuss the following topics about artificial intelligence.
Included here, what is AI? How does it work? Evolution of AI. Lastly, what are the benefits and risks of AI to human life? What is artificial intelligence?
Let me answer that question for you, partner. Actually, artificial intelligence or AI is known as the simulation of human intelligence processed by a machine. But actually, that's not all of it just yet. Artificial intelligence is a topic that in its most basic form is basically it combines computer science and substantial data set to facilitate problem solving. Additionally, it also includes the branches of artificial intelligence, also known as deep learning or machine learning, which are commonly addressed together. Now, let me ask you, how does AI work?
That will be a pretty long answer, but here it is. As the interest surrounding AI has grown, manufacturers have been scrambling to showcase how AI is used in their products and services. AI necessitates the use of specialized hardware and software to write and train machine learning algorithms. In general, AI systems operate by consuming an immense amount of labeled training data, analyzing the data for correlations and patterns, and then using these patterns to forecast future states by examining millions of scenarios. Chatbot-fed text samples can learn to make lifelike dialogues with people, while an image of recognition program can learn to recognize and describe items in photographs. New generative AI algorithms that are quickly improving can generate realistic text, graphics, music, and other materials.
I would like to add something, partner. I've heard that AI programming focuses on cognitive skills such as learning. Learning is a component of AI programming that is concerned with gathering data and developing rules for turning it into usable information. The rules, known as algorithms, teach computing equipment on how to execute a certain task in a step-by-step process. Reasoning is a component of AI programming that focuses on selecting the best algorithm to achieve a given result. Next is self-correction. The component of AI programming that is intended to constantly fine-tune algorithms or find errors in order to produce the most accurate result feasible. And lastly, creativity. The component of artificial intelligence employs neutral networks, rule-based systems, statistical approaches, and other AI techniques to generate new images, text, music, and new ideas.
Wow, that's really mind-blowing.
Oh, speaking of AI, have you heard about its evolution?
Exactly. About how it started from Alan Turing's pioneering work in 1950s, in which he created the Turing test to assess whether a machine could simulate human intellect. Then, after that, AI research extended into new fields throughout the 2000s, such as natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics, setting the path for today's AI evolution.
Yeah. Then there's the emergence of Generative Pre-trained Transformer or GPT series, which caused the recent AI revolution. GPT-3, which was deployed back in 2020, is a perfect illustration of how AI has grown. with 175 billion parameters and unparalleled natural language and understanding and generating skills.
Also, it's kind of interesting to think about the future AI, especially the challenges and opportunities it comes with it.
It also has the potential on reshaping our way of living, like how we socialize with other people and interact with the world around us.
But I think AI poses a lot of disadvantages. We can even see it right now, like how AI is programmed to kill. Weaponizing AI for the use of power can lead to devastating effects. These weapons have the potential to quickly result in massive deaths in the wrong hands. Unintended, AI battle with many casualties could be started by an arms race in AI. These weapons would be designed to be extremely difficult to simply turn off. Hence, it is conceivable that humans would lose control of such situation in order to prevent being killed. Even with little AI, this risk exists, but as AI's intelligence and autonomy increase, it becomes more significant.
AI, also despite being instructed to achieve something helpful, it develops a harmful method to accomplish its objective. AI is an intelligent and obedient tool, but the only problem with it is that it does not take into consideration into life. If it is ordered to do something, it'll do it without considering that it could harm life or the environment. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into our lives, it's important to consider the ethical implications of its use. One major concern is bias. If the AI systems are trained on biased data, they may perpetuate and even amplify existing social injustices and inequalities. Another issue is privacy. As AI collects more and more data about us, there is a risk that this information can be misused or exploited. And finally, there is the potential for job displacement. As AI automates more tasks, it could lead to significant changes in the job market.
It's important for us to think critically about these issues and to consider how we can ensure that AI is used in a responsible and ethical manner. This means being mindful of the potential risks while also embracing the potential benefits of AI. By working together to develop and implement ethical guidelines for AI, we can help to ensure that it's used to benefit society as a whole.
If there's a risk or disadvantages, there's also advantages or benefits of AI.
You're totally right about that. Let's talk about it.
Thanks to AI-enabled technologies, numerous advantages, various industries have been transformed.
Like how AI enables to automate repetitive tasks and process. A big example of this is how factories can make consistent products with the use of machine operated by AI. And because of this, it reduces human error, smoothly handles big data using AI, has become efficient in various aspects of any industries.
We can also benefit from AI in assisting in medical applications. Full-time availability, especially when hospital is full of patients and nurses and doctors work tirelessly without rest, which could lead to more mistakes because AI can perform risky and perilous tasks efficiently. This lessens human error.
But that's not the only benefits of AI, but it also facilitates quick decision making, helps in improving processes and workflows, and mostly used right now are AI-enabled digital assistants like Siri, Google, Alexa, and etc.
As we all know, artificial intelligence helps human life a lot. With the amount of data produced today by both people and robots, considerably exceeds the capacity of human to comprehend, understand, and base complex judgment on the data. All computer learning is based on artificial intelligence, which is also the future of all complicated decision making.
It was a successful talk again, partner. We hope that you enjoy and learn a lot, Lyceans.
Once again, I'm Lance Kimi Reyes.
And I'm Charles Vincent Balba from your most trusted podcast channel, iTalks.